bits of this. Just have a quick look at this. What is it? Oh, it's British Gas smart meter thing. My mum's got one. She don't like hers. It just beeps all the blooming time, so she doesn't. Oh, nothing there. She doesn't have it plugged in. Is that? I don't think there's anything there. That's a display underneath this, obviously. I can't see. It's connected. Okay, rip it out. There is a circuit board in there. Okay, let's break the tab. Can I push that forward now? I can. Okay. Oh, there's not much in here, is there? Some gold pins on there. Okay. Yep, gold connection there. Let's look at the other one. Okay, some little gold connection. Sorry, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Little gold connection there. Same on that one, little gold connection there. Some gold pins on that. And some gold traces. So, and here is our little circuit board. A couple of IC chips I can see already. Just rip that off. There we go. Got some gold traces. They look good, actually. They don't look thin. Just a little bit of wire, an IC chip, a BGA chip, and that's about it. But this board's got loads of little gold on it. Okay, so that's one of them. Not much worth scrapping on it. I was expecting more. Okay, so that's that. What's next? I suppose this is my box. It's a Sky router. I haven't got my large one with me today. Let's do a little aerial view if we can. Try to put my camera on there without it going Pete Tom. No, that's not going to work. Alright, that'll be next. Okay, so there was one screw in the back there, and one screw hidden under one of the feet. Plastic. Little circuit boards too. So low recovery boards. There is some gold pins there. They look silver to me. Okay, gold copper coil, transformer, IC chip here. Okay, let me just put this up. Hold on a second. Oh, damn it. Well, it didn't want to be pulled off, but I pulled it off. Got my finger a little bit there. Okay, so that's that one. Nothing on the bottom. What we have here? It's held in with these little plastic things. I hate that. Come on, just come off. plastic clips. Okay. A little bit of wire. Are they gold pins? Yeah, gold pins. This is the wireless. Can't see under there. Can't break that off yet. There's not a lot. BJ. Oh, and we've got the gold pins in there. Button, silver contact in there. Yep. Yes, there is what it is, and that will do for today's videos. The next videos will contain the rest. We'll do one at a time. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Please come again, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. NK Scrapper UK here, and I'm just looking at this stacker board. I've never seen one before. There's like, ooh, there's a big old bulb in there, screw in one. Actually, I've got a lamp that needs a screw in bulb. I wonder if that'll fit. It's a bit big, I don't think it will. There's a big old black mark there. Is this bulb any good? I don't know. Don't know. Oh, there's a bit of a brass fitting down there. We might try and rip that out. Okay. Some tuning on the side here. Subwoofer, band. Thompson. I have no idea what it is. And there's the front. Let's turn it upside down. Give it a little tilt. Some sort of stackable, an old one. Stop, play, record. Something obviously stacked up here, but if that's stacked up there, why is there a light underneath? Doesn't seem to stack here, and this looks like to be some sort of weird vent. It's weird. Really, really weird. There's a screw there. And a bunch of screws in the top. Right, I'm going to take them out and we'll look inside. Okay, I finally ripped that top off. I did try and get all the screws out, but you know, a couple got stuck. Looks like we've got a big transformer here, big speaker, CDI laser. Oh, hang on. Should we rip this up? And that's how a scrapper does it. Let's take that part a bit more. Circuit board here. Brown circuit boards means they're low grade. And that is low grade. There might be some copper spoils in there. And that's about everything I'm going to need from that one. Let's have a look at that. Oh, that's hidden in red. That's hidden. We'll have to rip them open. A couple of chips. Oh, switch here. And that looks like about it for this one too. Turning switch, we might rip that open and have a look inside. I don't think there'll be anything there. Oh, this was the tuner. Don't think they have tuners like this anymore. It'd be a long time since I've used one anyway. Another couple of speakers up here. And yeah, that's about it. I will speak to you again once I've undone all this and ripped these boards out. We'll have another look at them. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now they're unscrewed. Let's get everything out. Let's just snip this. I think this might be A. This bit might be Addy. Yeah, I think it is. I'll put magnets to it later, just to be sure. wires off. There we go. Okay, so we have got some obvious copper here, little coils here, another one here. I'm pretty sure there's some copper in here. I can see some copper wiring on the outside. I think these MOSFETs might have some copper in. Don't think these switches will have any. So not a lot. A couple of ICs, and the rest are resistors and capacitors, which I don't think we'll need, but that's okay. That just gets dumped now in our new board box until we sort it out later on, which won't be far away. So next one. Okay, so got these here, they're wrapped up, you can't really see into them. I'm pretty sure there's some copper in there though. Yeah, see it? Say we do have one, we can just rip right off, but there you go, cut her into it, you can see the copper already. And that is all the copper on this board. Little chip here. And the rest of the resistors, and nothing else is any good to me on that really. But that's okay, that'll go in our board box. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's heavy. Or it's just stuck. Oh, there we go. There we go. That'll go with our transformers. Speakers, I'll just throw in general scrap. Switch here might have a silver contact, might not. I'll have to rip that open and see. The aerial one. Oh. No, that's not the aerial. It's the aerial and the power lead. Ah, okay. There we go. Aerial wire goes with single wires, power lead goes with power lead. Leads go with leads. Let's have a look next. Another speaker here. Goes over there. Let's rip this up and see what's inside it. Okay, it snaps. Oh, there's a screw I didn't see. Of course there was. One. Okay, and stuck on this light bulb by the look of it, just a couple of switches. Ah, push buttons, excellent. That should be silver recovery. Okay, let's get that off there. So we've got some push buttons here, silver recovery, one chip, possibly a bit of silver in the switches. That's it. Where's the other half? Push buttons. Yep, the silver recovery. Just scrap over here, I'm afraid. Sure, the Americans have that lot have a place for speakers, but don't get that here. Looks like there's some gold traces under here, very small ones, but I'll take it. So, there we go, yeah. Doesn't look like it's underneath. Never mind. But, you know, every little helps, doesn't it? Can't fully rip that off. Just cut it off. There we go. We sorted out at a later date. Right. That's that. Loads of plastics. Okay, so we've got some wiry bits. We'll sort that out. And that's it for that one. So don't forget to join me in the next one, which I do believe is a Sky HD box.